Every IT team hits the same wall when moving from SCCM to Intune. Your applications are ready, your infrastructure is in place. But migrating from SCCM means rebuilding everything. Metadata, detection rules, scripts for every single application. It's slow, repetitive, and hard to scale. PacKit changes that. It connects to your SCCM environment, reads what's already there, and brings it into a clean workspace where everything is ready to go. Now, let's see how PacKit can accelerate your SCCM to Intune migration.
Start by creating a new workspace. Here you have the option to directly import the applications from SCCM. Fill all the information to establish the connection. Just make sure the account has enough privileges to do the operation. After PacKit finishes reading information from SCCM, you can see the list of applications being populated in your workspace. Let's choose 7-zip application, which has been grabbed using PSADT. As a workflow, I prefer enabling the copy resource locally. On the left side under Applications, you can see the freshly imported application. On the first tab, you can see all the application information that has been imported, including the application icon. Below, you have the option to manage the Intune assignments. After a connection is established with Intune, PacKit automatically reads all your groups inside your tenant. If the icon has not been imported, you have the option to browse to a new location and add a new one. Moving on to the next tab, here you have all the package information, including the PSADT script. You can see the standard script structure, as well the integrated editor. Scrolling down, you can select the operating system configuration, as well as detection method, preparing the package ready to be imported in Intune. This information was also imported from SCCM. Now let's import another application, this time a native MSI. It has been added amongst the other applications. Next, let's say you created your package using Advanced Installer. Let's import it from the disk. Here you can see the icon is the standard MSI one. In case of excess setups, PacKit automatically extracts the icon. Below, again, we have the same management Intune assignment settings. Moving on to the next tab, you can see all the package information alongside install commands, which can be customized, as well as the resources. The PSADT editor is missing here because this is a simple MSI. Below, again, same Intune configurations, operating system and detection methods. One nice feature is that in a case of an MSI, PacKit automatically extracts the product code and sets it as a default detection method. On top, you have the option to upload to Intune. Here you have the LOB and the Win32. If you choose the Win32 option, PacKit will automatically convert your installer into a Win2Win file. Sign into Intune using your admin account, which has sufficient permissions, and PacKit will do its magic and upload the application. Now let's go to the Intune console and check if the application is there. Here it is, with all the information that we provided straight from PacKit.
PacKit is built by the Advanced Installer team, bringing over 20 years of application packaging expertise into a unified workflow for application packaging, deployment, and patching. You can try it free for 30 days with full access to technical support, so if you run into anything unexpected during your first migration, the team is here to help you. Get speed, control, clarity. Get PacKit and start your first migration today.